Hello future CAs. Today we're going to see how All India rank 22 presented his CA Inter law paper where he or she got 44 out of 70 in descriptive, which in my view is a good score. But what I have done, I have not taken any answer sheet of any student who wrote extremely well and got 5 out of 5 or 4 out of 5 in a case study based answer. I am taking a simple answer where the student got just 3.5 out of 5 marks in a reasonable case study answer, and most of us will be happy if we get the 3.5 out of 5 correct, because most students are struggling to even get 2 or 2.5 out of 5. Here we are not going to use any approach asking you to mug up the keywords, mug up the baract. Simple English, how do we present? Okay, so what I will be doing, guys, is I will be reading his answer. I will be reading the question first and then his answer. But before that, I also want to give you a presentation guide as to how you have to present any answer. First paragraph in your answer, guys. The first paragraph, of course, what I am telling might have some slight changes from what the All India rank student has done, but I have seen many other answer sheets. Okay, this is what I was able to get from Telegram channels. Whichever answer I am writing first, I will give it a heading on top. Okay, for example, if I am writing about casual vacancy, I will write casual vacancy section number 139. Now the first paragraph should always be the reasoning for your answer, or also known as why for your answer, or in simple words, in the way you all will understand, we call it the provision. Okay, meaning when you read a question on casual vacancy, immediately your mind will go to section 139 and you will think of all the provisions. Don't write all the provisions. Write those provisions which are relevant for the problem given in the question. Second, I will prove it to you. I'll prove it to you now with a question. Second paragraph will generally be something called as the interpretation. Will be what, guys? It's the interpretation that you are having when you read the question. For example, when you read a particular case based question, you will be like, this is the answer, that is the answer. You are arriving at a conclusion. How did you arrive? How did you arrive at a conclusion? For example, when you are cooking a biryani, you will finally eat one spoon until it's good, but when it's made, there is a process, correct? For example, let me ask a question. Charge. Once the charge loan is taken, the charge should be registered within 30 days. The charge here has been registered only after 35 days. So there's a delay of how many days? 5 days. So in your mind, you will automatically be like, hey, there's a delay of 5 days. But for this, what is the provision you had in the mind? First, you will write the provision as per section 77 of the Companies Act. Once a loan is taken, a charge is created, it has to be registered within 30 days. If the same is not registered in 30 days, it has to be registered in the next 30 days with additional fee. If it is not registered in the next 30 days also, it will be registered in the next 60 days with ad valorem fee. I have not used any technical term apart from ad valorem fee or those kind of terms. General English, I will write the provision. Now the interpretation. What will be my interpretation in this question, or in terms in which you know, we call it as analysis. What is the analysis? What you are thinking in your mind to come to a conclusion, write that. In this charge question, I will write, okay, in analysis is where you should include your facts. Sir, you used to tell to write facts separately. No, gone are those days. Don't write facts separately and waste your time. Okay, because facts carries 0 marks. Write facts as part of analysis and write, okay, in the given case, the company took a loan on, let's say, 17th of August. The same has been registered only on 22nd of September. Example I'm saying. Write the facts which is given. However, as per the provisions in the Companies Act, it should be registered within 30 days. The 30 days is falling on, let's say, 16th of September. So instead of registering on 16th of September, they register on 22nd of September, which leads to a delay of 5 or 6 days. Because of this, there is a non-compliance of the above provision of charge. Now come to the third one, which is nothing but we all know, the final conclusion. The conclusion should be what they are asking in question. Allowed or not allowed? Here, what is it? Company has delayed by 5 days. That's it. So let me summarize first. Generally, it's the reasoning, provision, which all provisions you have used to find the answer and what is needed. All of that. Interpretation or your analysis along with the facts. It has to be a mixie. It has to be a cocktail of your understanding and facts and provision together. Are you following, guys? Cocktail means you all know very well. Put that in analysis part. Conclusion, final one line answer. Let's demonstrate how this has been done by an all India rank 22 student, that too in which attempt? In the latest May 25 exams. I will take the question first. Okay, the question, I am taking question number 1B, guys, compulsory question. Let's quickly read the question. Okay, Sangeeta was appointed as the statutory auditor of ABC in the AGM of shareholders on 20th August 2023. Sangeeta is the auditor. However, Sangeeta met with an accident on 23rd December. Within next 3 months, she met with an accident and died. Okay. Now, the board of directors of ABC filled the casual vacancy caused by sudden death of Sangeeta and appointed Keshav as a statutory auditor. Clear? The next AGM of the company was scheduled for 28th August 2024. After a year, look at this. This is 20th August 2023. Next one is 2024. So before the AGM itself, I appointed somebody. What concept is being tested here? Casual vacancy. Super. Okay. In which the board recommended for appointment of this guy as statutory auditor. Okay, somebody else. Who's that somebody else? Ashish as a statutory auditor. Fine. Understood the facts, Keshav objected for appointment of Ashish. Who is Keshav? The one who is appointed in casual vacancy to fill, and gave representation to company secretary mentioning that his Keshav was approved by board after the demise of Sangeeta. Thus, he can continue for next 6 AGMs. So that Keshav, who came as temporary, Keshav came to fill the gap. Correct? This Keshav who was appointed as to fill the gap is now protesting, saying that Ashish should not be appointed, only I should be there for full AGM. Now, and he also threatened, blackmail is doing. You all know how to do blackmail very well. You have done it at least once in your life. To report the matter to registrar and NCLT. What is the question? Immediately don't start writing everything about casual vacancy. Go read the question. Most of the questions will have what is the question. First they're asking what? Explain the procedure to fill casual vacancy for office of statutory auditor. This is separate question. Whether the contention raised by Keshav is justified as per this provisions, will your answer be different if this was due to resignation? Okay, so what you should write for the first thing, let me tell what we have to write, and then we will go and see what the rank holder wrote. Are you all with me, guys? Hello? Okay, online students, keep following recording also. First, in casual vacancy, we know that in casual vacancy, so now I am writing in case 1, I should again break it into 3 parts. Correct? Provision, analysis, conclusion, or in my words, reasoning, interpretation, conclusion. Okay, so over here I will write the provisions regarding casual vacancy, but don't write about resignation. I will write in case there is a casual vacancy. Don't write death and all. Don't write the party's name. As per section 139, in case of a casual vacancy, the board of directors will fill the vacancy within, and that person will hold the office till the conclusion of the next AGM. Correct? This is what we learn, guys. Hello? Yes or no, guys? Then you have to write in next paragraph, in the given case, Miss Sangeeta died. This led to a casual vacancy. It led to a casual vacancy. Therefore, board of directors appointed Keshav, who can hold office till conclusion of AGM. Are you following, guys? What is the first question that they're asking over here? Explain the procedure to fill the casual vacancy of statutory auditor. Have you explained it over here? Yes. Correct. You told provision. It has to be filled within 30 days. That's what you told. Keshav has to be appointed within 30 days. Who will hold office till AGM. Are you following, guys? Let's go to the answer written by the student for 1B, where he got 3.5 marks out of 5. Not very great, not bad, but good enough to get a 44 out of 70. Good enough to make you pass. Correct? Look at him. First he wrote section number. Sir, ICAI is saying section number is not mandatory. No, sir. Why rank holder wrote? If you remember, he is writing with subsection. Leave subsection. Write the primary section if you remember. But if it's too close to exam, leave it. Don't take pressure. Look at this. He is giving a heading. What heading you will give? As per the provisions of Companies Act, discussing hyphen casual vacancy. He is not using the word casual vacancy. He is using the word casual vacancy through the section 139 subsection 8. Are you following, guys? Look at the first paragraph. Provision. He is writing point 1. Okay. The casual vacancy in the office of auditor shall be filled by the board of directors within 30 days of such vacancy. Simple English. Provision. Next. The auditor appointed by the board of directors on occasion of casual vacancy shall hold the office till the next AGM. What word he missed out over here? The word conclusion is missed out. Okay. Wherever he is writing keywords, he is underlining. Can you see, guys? He is underlining. So this one, what he wrote here is the provision. Reasoning. Next, look at this. Coming to analysis. Keshav in the current scenario shall hold office only till the next AGM, that is 28th August. Connecting the provision with the question. In question, when is the next AGM? 28th August 2024. That I am enumerating. I am trying to connect and saying, see, above provision immediately I told you can hold till next AGM. That I am connecting with the question. You can hold till 28th August. Are you following? And then what I am saying? If the shareholders appoint Keshav, he can continue till 6th. So I am also giving solution as to how Keshav can continue till 6th. But here shareholders have not appointed him. Are you following, guys? That's it. In this paragraph, our friend has finished. Which all? He has answered question number 1 and 2. He has explained the procedure in the provision. He has also told whether Keshav can continue, and he is also explaining how he can continue only if shareholders allow for the same. Are you with me, guys? Now separate question 3. Okay. In case of resignation, come to his answer. Next paragraph 3 he wrote here. Where did he write 2? Look at this. How beautifully he explained. For one question he gave one answer. For 2 questions he is giving 2 answers. That you can hold only until conclusion of the AGM. He missed the word conclusion. That's why another half mark is gone for him over here. Okay. Otherwise it would have been 4 instead of 3.5. Next, come down. In case of casual vacancies caused due to resignation, you know the process. Board will fill and then we will ratify the same in the general meeting of the company. Look at this auditor. Appoint within 30 days and such vacancy shall be ratified by shareholders within next 3 months in an EGM. Sir, EGM is not given in the act. No, sir. They tell it has to be ratified in the next general meeting. What is the next general meeting within 3 months? EGM. EGM should be held within 90 days. Correct? Once you call for EGM, it should be held within 90 days. That means if I am appointing somebody, if I have to ratify, it's nothing but EGM. So and then, but such auditor shall also hold office till the conclusion of the next 6 AGM, that is 20, till conclusion of next AGM, sorry. So what I am trying to say here, this same auditor who is appointed for resignation will also hold office till the conclusion of the next AGM, not 6 AGMs. That's it. He closed the answer. Come back over here. Come back over here. He will hold the office till when resignation is given over here. Are you following, guys? So he got 3.5. If the word conclusion is there, he would have got 4 out of 5. Now how to get 5 out of 5? Using more technical terms from the act. Let's go see what ICA gave suggested answer for 1B. Okay, see if the same thing is there. First, procedure to fill casual vacancy as per section 139(8) to fill the statutory auditor. Instead of auditor, they use the word additionally what, guys? Statutory auditor, because question uses that word. What our rank holder missed. Okay, next, accordingly, in case of company other than the company whose accounts are subject to, okay, additionally they're writing what? In case of other than government companies is the procedure. They're implying that point is missed out. Then 30 days until next AGM. Are you following, guys? Then they're also saying in section 139, where company is required to constitute audit committee in 177, then filling of casual vacancy, you have to get permission of audit committee. This is there in the book, yes. So what he missed out is this also. Getting the permission of audit committee, recommending to audit committee. Then whether the contention of Keshav is justified, this is the interpretation. 28th August, same day, contention raised by him is not justified because you can hold only until next AGM. This our rank holder also wrote same. Are you following, guys? So what is mainly missed out is the above paragraph other than government company and audit committee. Another 1 mark. How to make it 5 out of 5. Come down. If the casual vacancy is for resignation, same answer. If it is caused by auditor, appointment shall also be approved by company in general meeting within 3 months. Recommendation of the board and hold until next AGM. This first paragraph is the provision. Are you getting it, guys? Next is the interpretation. If casual vacancy of Sangeeta caused by resignation, Keshav will hold it until the conclusion of the next AGM. Are you following, guys? Understanding? Clear? Now within this template, you can change however you want. Meaning, I can mix my interpretation and conclusion based on the question. Are you understanding how to present, guys? Here we haven't used any rocket science technical terms, general words that we know. Sir, how do we improve presentation? Very simple. ICA is giving suggested answer. Keep reading them. Highlight the keywords. Or whichever book you are following for your class, they will be having those kind of keywords. If you are writing any test series, your suggested answers will have those keywords. That is only most important. Following, guys. That's about it. Thank you. Have a great day.